You might be wondering to start a business online, or you might want to start something that might change your life. Now, I've got an idea for you. Why starting a YouTube channel, even if no one is watching, is literally a good idea. And let me tell you something, a lot of people won't tell you this. I'm going to tell you something that might surprise you at the same time. Starting a YouTube channel when no one is watching is actually the best time to start. And even if you've been kind of like waiting for viewers or even subscribers or validation before you begin, this video might change everything and how you see YouTube on the platform, on the whole platform at the same time. In today's video, of course, I'll be breaking down exactly the same strategy that I use every single day, of course, to just keep motivated and to just keep pushing forward and to keep my business going on. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why starting YouTube with the zero viewers is not a disadvantage and it's a superpower. We're going to be talking about why no one watching is actually a good thing and why you really building in the early stages and how YouTube rewards beginners who actually stick in the platform, who actually show up every single day, and why skills matter more than numbers at the start, and how consistency now creates opportunities later. And by the end of this video, you will understand why starting small is exactly how big channels are built and how now everything is built on kind of systems, okay? And the more you start, the better you will get there. No one watches, or no one watching means no pressure, okay? When no one is watching, you are actually free experiment, free making mistakes, and even free to learn, okay, without judgment. Most people are scared to start because they are afraid of failing publicly. But when you are when your audience is small, failure is private and learning is the fastest way to learn at the same time. This is where you build confidence at the same time. You learn how to talk in front of the camera, you learn how to kind of like to edit videos, you learn how to talk about topics, ideas that generates lots of viewers, and in this case you learn how to actually build, okay, yourself, how to build your platform that you actually want. You're building skills, not viewers. In the beginning, YouTube isn't about viewers, it's about learning how to speak on the camera. As I mentioned earlier, getting comfortable with your voice at the same time, understanding storytelling, and even kind of like improving your editing, discovering your style, and even every video is a rep, okay? Rep after rep after rep, and the reps are what builds mastery, okay? Viewers come later. You don't care about views at the moment. Skills come first, and YouTube rewards consistency, not perfection. Here's something that most people don't realize. No one will tell you this. YouTube doesn't care if your first videos are bad, doesn't care if you keep going. The algorithm looks for consistency, improvement, and watch time at the same time, over time. Most channels fail not because they are bad, but because they quit too early. At last, the quitting phase, you are already ahead of the most people, that you don't realize it. A lot of people don't realize this. Every video is an asset for you. Every video is an asset. Unlike a platform's YouTube videos don't disappear, they stack. The video you post today will get views months later, even years from now. And so like while it feels like no one is watching, you're already building a library of content that works for your long-term success, your long-term process. And that's powerful, to be fair. No one realizes it. And you built in discipline and identity. Starting a YouTube channel is just about content, okay? Isn't just about content. It changes who you become more confident, you become more disciplined, better explaining ideas, more comfortable, kind of like being seen, like more comfortable being seen at the same time. You stop waiting for permission. You start showing up every single day, even if you don't feel like it. And that mindset carries into everything else in life. And I would say, if you waiting to start a content, if you're waiting to start a business, you're waiting to start anything in life, just get on with it. And this is not because you start with a team of viewers. You start with when you are imperfect. It starts good, even if you're not confident, because over time, those reps will add up into a massive results. Because everyone you admire in this platform is started exactly where you are now. So why not? What does that mean? To get started, okay? So get started and do whatever you want in life, because achieve your goals and stop waiting for perfection.